Today's episode is Stephen Writes on the Fridge/Grounded. This video was inspired by the Jawan 4444.
I am going to write on the fridge. Study error STMERAPY, study error STMERAPY. Oh crap, it's my parents.
Stephen, how dare you write on the fridge? Now we will have to clean it up thanks to you.
That's it. You are grounded for 34,000 months. Now, go upstairs to your room now.
Wow.